Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to prepare magic hair oil for rapid hair growth using rosemary leaves. Let's get started. Take a small bowl and add carrier oil to it, preferably coconut oil, or you can use olive or almond oil also. Here I am using approximately half cup of coconut oil. Rosemary is one of the best ingredients which will promote hair growth rapidly. It stimulates and improves blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. I am using dried rosemary leaves. You can use fresh rosemary also. Adding half tablespoon of rosemary leaves. Mix carrier oil and rosemary well. Now let's heat the oil. Don't put oil directly on flame. Boil the oil using double boiler method. Take water in a bowl and let it come to a boil. Now keep oil and rosemary mixture bowl in the middle carefully. Keep it on low flame and let it heat for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Now turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Store the mixture in a closed container for 3 to 7 days. Let the goodness of rosemary sink into the oil. Or if you want, you can use this oil directly. For better results, let it soak in oil for 1 week. Using filter, separate oil and rosemary leaves. Rosemary essential oil helps promote healthy scalp function, stops hair loss and promotes hair growth. It also helps to get rid of dandruff. You can buy this from Amazon, link available in description. Now I am adding 5 to 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Adding 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Vitamin E also helps repair damaged hair by cell nourishment, reducing hair breakage and improving your hair's elasticity and shine. Let's mix all the powerful ingredients together. Transfer this oil to an applicator bottle. This bottle makes application process easy. Or you can apply directly on the scalp and massage. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.